University of Kentucky is a land-grant university, and really part of the mission of a land-grant university is to extend the research information out to the people in the state, to the people in the Commonwealth, to help them in their livelihoods. So for instance, some of the work that I'm doing here, I hope to ultimately farmers can utilize this information. They can improve their soybean production on their own farms.
My favorite part about working here is just interacting with the community. You know, since I've been here, we've done many workshops. We're about to have the field day. We're going to have many people from the community, because I've lived in Breathitt my whole life and hadn't been here until I got hired here. So I think if people know what we did here, these events would be a fun opportunity for people in the community to come, might get a birdhouse, get a free meal, you know. It's just a good chance for people to come have fun.
We're standing beside the 2025 fiber trial for our hemp study. This ties in with our field day, kind of a culminating event with our field day in the fact that we get to see a different crop here in eastern Kentucky. A lot of people aren't used to seeing industrial hemp grown in the means that we grow it here, and they're really not used to hearing about it in the aspect that we grow it for research and for what it's going to be used for in the future. This research data goes back to some of the seed companies that provide us with seeds, and it also tells the farmer, it gives them a good base, a good place to start.
There's all kinds of things here that didn't used to exist, and I think it's really just making the Robinson Center a lot nicer place for people to come, but also for researchers like me to do research here.